For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
How's a kitty
We're
cat?
on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hello, Derry. And that's so you can make bacon chocolate. That's why you can make a bacon chocolate bar. But that's him.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready?
So this is actually free. You don't have to pay for this, which is kind of crazy that this is free.
It all starts with cocoa beans.
And this, I think this requires the most money out of every one of those.
We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning.
Well, no, I'm just saying the maintenance and everything for all this, but this one's free. But the other ones where you just kind of sit down and someone talks, that costs money.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique
Oh no, we're gonna be roasted.
consistent Hershey's flavor.
We're gonna be burned at it. What if it like chose randomly to close the doors and then roast you? Actually roast some people. It's actually warm in here. There's warm air. Like it just stopped. It stopped and then like it was like you have been chosen, and then the doors closed and we get roasted alive.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate.
I think he's broken. He's
Cocoa
not
nibs have
talking.
been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa
Smells
butter,
good in here.
which we'll use later on in the process.
It smells nummy.
Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. chocolate foam through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks Alex. That's so sweet.
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone.
It's gonna take our picture. You don't want the picture, do you? No, it's not gonna be free. Whoa!
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Ooh, that one's going to Las Vegas. It's going to be dropped off to Cat and Chris. Huh? I gotta say, this is for this being free. This is actually kind of cool for for it being free. It's pretty neat. And they take a picture. I'm sure it costs money. The pictures always cost money. But yeah, we paid quite a bit for 2 tickets for all this stuff. But this one was apparently free. And I think this is going to be the end of it.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and
Is
joy
it?
That goes
Yep,
into
this
making
is the end of this little
Hershey's
ride.
goodness.
Come
And then
visit
we've
us
got our
again
tram
soon.
ride next,
Please remain
which
seated until the door opens and watch
I'm not
your
sure what
step
time
on
it is
the
now,
moving
but
platform.
we'll get there.
And
So we'll
enjoy
see you at the
rest of
tram.
your day here.
Well, the Irish lady can't go anywhere without having a beer. So we got the Troig's chocolate beer. So she's going to try that.
They give you free chocolate everywhere.
We got lots of chocolate here. You like it? All right, let's try it. I don't taste much chocolate in it, but it's not a bad stout. I just don't really taste the chocolate. And apparently Yingling stopped doing the Hershey's chocolate porter, which she absolutely loved. It kind of sucks because we were hoping to get it here in Hershey's. They don't have it, so. But next stop, tram.
I know. This is an historical tour. So we're talking a lot about the history of Hershey, the founding of the town, founding of the chocolate company, and the creation of the Hershey School. Along the way, we're pointing out the building sites around town. I think by the end of the tour, you'll agree with me that Hershey was a very exceptional and generous individual. Now we have a full trolley. I ask you, please, please keep any conversations to an absolute minimum. A low voice so everyone can enjoy the tour and I can maintain some semblance of health. Should be used to benefit others. And unlike a lot of wealthy people of his time, he actually practiced what he preached. Now he also had a sign in his office that said, business is a matter of human service. Then go to businesses don't have that same sign in their offices today. Now Hershey was born September 13th, 1857 BC. BC.
He's a dinosaur.
Before chocolate. His mother was Veronica Hershey. Everyone called her Fanny. But he decided to go to Philadelphia. Go to the case there because he correctly assumed there would be a lot of visitors that year because the nation was celebrating its centennial. So together with his mother's Aunt Mattie, he opened a little candy store in Philadelphia, 1876. $1 million in 1900 was a fortune.
See the lamppost?
But that became the money he then used to start constructing his new chocolate factory. Look at your left. Next street, first house on the right on that street. Moon Treader's Bay siding right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Right there, that was the house where Harry Reese started his little candy company in the basement. He lived there with his wife and 16 children. 16 kids. One of those 16 kids was my dead mother when I was a Cub Scout. So I'm saying. On the left is land given Hershey Public Refuge use all. Get some good pictures, did you?
Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir. Well, there we go. So that was the Hershey trolley. I only showed a little bit of that. It was like an hour and 15 minutes long. Took you for a tour around Hershey, told you a lot of history about the town and what a lot of the buildings and things were, like a whole. So if you're a history buff, I would definitely take that. He also passed out like candy on the ride, so she got a little bit of candy, little Hershey kisses and things like that. And then we got a chocolate bar at the end. So tons of chocolate. We have so much chocolate. We're gonna do a little probably when we get back to the hotel, we're gonna do like a little chocolate haul and show you guys what all we got. Ha! Snuck through. We're gonna show you guys what we got when we get back to our hotel. We're just coming in here to pick up our Reese's cup that we made, and then we're gonna get an Uber back. So see you guys back at the hotel. All right, we're back at the hotel room, and as promised, we're gonna go ahead and show our chocolate haul. Oh, let me get my jacket off because I've been wearing this thing all day. It's actually pretty good. It's a pretty good jacket. It's Helly Hansen. Very nice. Anyways, let's do this. All right. First up, we've got our chocolate bars. Of course, there's mine. There's hers. We got this little bag of chocolate candy times 2 because we both went to that little thing. So we got that. We have our little chocolate tasting kit. I think this is the one that she already opened. Yes, she opened this one already, and then there was a candy bar in the bottom. I don't know if it's still in there or not. But there's that one. We have another little candy bar. We have another chocolate tasting kit, which I did not open that one. Then we've got our little expedition, little passports. Kind of cool little things. We got some Jolly Ranchers right here. Boom. Anything else in this bag? Yes, there is. And we got 2 Hershey's milk chocolate bars. And then in this one, we've got our Reese cup. I'm not sure how to open it. How do you open it? How does it open? Come on! Open it! There we go. And there's our Reese cup that we made for my madre. So that is our haul. We hope you guys, and actually there's a couple more chocolate bars somewhere, I think, because we got some chocolate bars when we came into the hotel as well. We got a couple. So we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite vacation spot in your area, and we will try to make it there. But comment down below what you want to try from this thing here. What would you like to have? There's some Jolly. Oh, she can't get it open. She got some Jolly Ranchers.
Gummies.
Jolly Rancher gummies. All right, but that's all we got for you. So as always, tripping ain't easy. The show is fun.